The world of technology is rapidly evolving and India is poised to play a major role. Semiconductor chips are essential components in electronics and India is taking steps to become a leader in their production. This industry encompasses various sectors from communication to transportation and plays a significant role in generating revenue and employment on a global scale. Currently, only a handful of countries manufacture semiconductors. As of December 2023, Taiwan holds about 46% of global semiconductor foundry capacity, followed by China 26%, South Korea 12%, United States 6% and Japan 2%. This reliance on a few sources can be risky, as COVID-19 pandemic highlighted. India, a growing power in space, nuclear and digital technology, aims to become a major player in semiconductor production as well. Let's delve deeper and understand how exactly is India positioning itself to become a major player in semiconductor chip production. Micron Technology, a major player in memory and storage solutions, is considering supplying chips made in their new Gujarat plant to Apple. This could be a significant development. Micron's plant will focus on assembling, testing, marking and packaging of chips. The first batch of these made in India chips is expected by December. Initially, the raw materials will be imported from Micron's existing facilities. However, the plan is to process these raw materials into finished chips right here in India. Of course, this collaboration depends on Apple agreeing to use these chips, but it's a promising prospect. Currently, Apple sources chips from outside the country, but Micron's plan is to eventually supply them directly to Apple's manufacturing partners here. It aligns perfectly with the Indian government's goal for domestic chip production and increased value addition in mobile phone sector, which refers to the amount of work and materials added locally during production. This collaboration makes even more sense when you consider India's position as Apple's second favorite manufacturing hub. The Indian government offers strong incentives for companies to manufacture locally. Back in 2020, they launched a $6.6 billion program rewarding brands for setting up domestic production of smartphones and electronic components. There's another benefit to Apple from this: increased market share in the region. Currently, India charges a hefty 22% customs duty on imported smartphones, making iPhones significantly more expensive compared to Western markets. By producing locally, Apple could avoid these high import fees and potentially offer more competitive pricing to Indian consumers. It's important to know that Micron is a major player with a global presence. While Apple is a potential client, they also supply to other big names like Dell, HP and Lenovo, many of whom already have manufacturing or vendor bases in India. The global semiconductor market is expected to be worth $1 trillion within the next few years. By taking these steps now, India is positioning itself to become a major player in the critical industry. Our goal is to be among the top 5 global semiconductor producers within the next 5 years. However, it's essential to recognize that the semiconductor sector requires heavy investments and tangible results may take several years to materialize. Persistence will be the key in this long and transformative journey. Recent inauguration of 3 semiconductor plants collectively worth approximately rupees 1.2 lakh crore, out of which one of the joint venture between Tata Electronics and Taiwan's Powerchip Semiconductor Manufacturing Corp and investments from Qualcomm are positive signs. Having said that, this is Aditi Priya signing off.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.